exfoliate, use a good toner?
Yeah, I did. Well, you should, well, damn.
Hey, somebody come and look at this. Come and look at this.
Hey y'all, it's your girl K-Day Slay here, and I'm bringing y'all another video today. My 5 healthy tips on maintaining healthy skin. So let's get into it. Alright y'all, so thanks for joining, and again, just letting you know my 5 tips on maintaining healthy skin. So 1, you want to wash your face on a daily. This is a must. So you don't want to use any harsh soaps or anything like that. Anything that's perfume, you don't want to use that on your face. Find you a gentle facial cleanser, something that you can use on a daily that's good for your skin type. You'll have to research that. But you want to find a daily facial cleanser that's good for your skin. So that's 1. Number 2, you want to exfoliate and or use a good toner. So exfoliating and using a toner removes all of the dead cells from the surface of your skin. It also brightens your complexion and smooths your skin texture. So making sure you exfoliate is important. You don't want to over exfoliate, so maybe a couple times a week, but you can use a good toner on a daily. One that you can find in your home, witch hazel. Witch hazel is a natural toner that you can use on a daily, and it's perfect for your skin. Also, we have a papaya and pineapple gel face mask. You can use this, apply it, let it set, and wash your face. It's perfect and it's not harsh at all. So those are a couple of things that you can do to exfoliate. Number 3, you want to moisturize. So by finding a good moisturizer is very important. This replenishes your skin cells and prevents irritation. Also, it reduces the chance of future breakouts and acne. So finding a good moisturizer is very important, and we also have a very good moisturizer for you, this vitamin C cream, and it's found on turboluxury.com. And you can definitely use this on a daily and you won't go wrong using vitamin C. Number 4, hydrate. Drinking enough water is not stressed enough. You have to hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. So this is just for overall skin health. This also is not a one-size-fits-all. You have to drink enough water according to your BMI or your body mass index. So you have to do a little research and see what that could be, but just drink enough water on a daily, and this will keep your skin glowing. Alright, and this is the last tip, guys. You want to get beauty sleep. Now, I know it is hard to get 8 to 10 hours of rest, but getting a sufficient amount of rest is key. You do want to at least get a couple of power naps in if you can't get that much sleep at night, but getting enough rest does keep your skin healthy, keeps wrinkles away, bags from under your eyes, just the obvious. So just make sure you get enough sleep. And those are pretty much the tips I have to maintain healthy skin, guys. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for always tuning in. Thanks for your support. If you liked what I said or got anything out of it, hit the like button, comment. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified each time we post a video for you. And as always, guys, it's your girl K-Day Slay. Stay beautiful.
Hey, somebody come and look at this. Come and